Hi, beloved. The way or how you break your fast is very important. If you do not break your fast very well, it can cause a lot of health issues. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to break your fast so that you do not have problems with you. Stay tuned. Hi, beloved. Welcome to this channel, a place to build your spiritual life through prayer and the word of God. In this video, my main purpose is to show you how to break your fast to avoid health issues. You see, because you didn't eat for a long time, your system, your intestine begins to close up. The walls of your stomach begins to become wear out. So if you begin to introduce food the wrong way, you can cause a lot of health problems. So especially after a long fast or intense fast, when you finished the fasting, do not take sugary foods and spicy food, especially processed sugar like soft drinks, coffee. Don't take it. Don't take spicy food also. It can cause serious health problem to you. Stay away from it for some time. What you're supposed to do is to start taking in coconut water. So if your fasting was a long fast or an intense fasting, take coconut water for about 3 days. This will begin to open your intestines, begin to give energy, supply minerals to your system. So take coconut water for about 3 days if it's an intensive fasting. Then you begin to introduce fruit juice, not fruits, fruit juice. And this juice should be diluted with water. If you take more fruits, if you take hard substance, your system is closed, it can harm you. So take a fruit juice and dilute it with water. I will recommend watermelon juice diluted with water. Then after that, you begin to introduce vegetables into the system. Introduce vegetables. Still, don't take any spicy food. Don't take any spicy. And introduce the vegetable for about 2 or 3 days. Then you begin to introduce your normal diet bit by bit. Then you come to a normal state. Now, let me say this. The number of days of fasting, you also need that same number of days before you can come back to your normal eating. So if you fasted for 7 days, you need 7 days before you can come back to your normal diet. If you fasted for 21 days, you need 21 days before you can come back to your normal diet. If you fasted for 3 days, you need 3 days before you can come back to your normal diet. So the number of days or the duration of your fasting, you need that same duration to come back to your normal diet. When you don't do this thing, you can cause health problem to yourself. Beloved, I believe this has been a blessing to you, and I want you to like it if it has been a blessing, and also share with your friends so that they can also be blessed. Also, if you want to build your spiritual life and you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Subscribe to this channel. God bless you. Peace.